Yo, bass block unbox crew, and today's drop is the JBL Xtreme 4 versus the Baby Little speaker sound test. So I do have a total of 2 phones, so we can make it very easy to allow us to connect one to each phone. So this is the S24. We're going to be connecting the Xtreme 4 to that, and the A35 to the mini speaker. So before we quickly get on, we are having max EQ for the JBL Xtreme 4. I'm gonna quickly, when I turn on the speaker, I will show you guys the EQ. And for the mini speaker, I mean, there's no equalizer on that, just standard Bluetooth connection. And the Xtreme 4 is plugged into the wall, as you can see, to get 100 watts max power. So we're gonna start by turning them on. Just quickly. Alright guys, so simple as that. And now, as I was saying, I'm gonna quickly show you the equalizer that I have for the JBL Xtreme 4. So as you can tell, it is discovering the product, so we have to wait a little bit for that. And as you can see there, JBL Xtreme 4, and you can see the equalizer. There's many different options, but I have chosen the custom one, and everything is on the maximum for the best sound possible. Well, not really the best sound. If you do end up putting some of the equalizer stuff down, you might get a clearer sound, but this is the most loudest, most bass heavy profile that you can get. Alright, so we're going to be doing NCS Feel Good, as it is a song that has a lot of bass, and more importantly, there is no copyright restrictions like some other songs. So I got it ready on the S24. Let me just quickly do it on the A35. We have got them both ready. Oh, that was a little bit unexpected from the little one there. Accidentally put it on max, but doesn't matter, guys. Alright, so as you can see, we have both of them already ready. So I think we're probably going to start with the mini speaker. So I'm going to start by putting the volume levels, as you can see here. Oops. 1, 2, 3, 4 for the first one, then up to there, and then I'll see if I can do it on max without the neighbors, you know, getting angry, because this Xtreme 4 is certainly a powerhouse, especially plugged in on the max EQ. But let's start with the baby speaker. So the volume is on 4. Let me just prove it to you guys there. Alright, let's play it. I mean, it certainly isn't the loudest ever, and the quality is not the best, but to be exact, this is a very small speaker, and it's not getting any like gains like the Xtreme 4 plugged in or the max equalizer. And I'm just going to quickly show you guys the bass part. Alright, let's go to the Xtreme 4 now. Again, we do have it on the 4 volume. This is the newer software, One UI 8 versus 6, so that's why it looks a bit different, but they're both on the exact same volume. So let's start. I mean, it is so much nicer to listen to, so much more louder, so much more clear, and yeah, way more bassy as obviously. And here's quickly the bass part. I mean, it is definitely a beast, even at such a low volume. So when we are going to put it up, I think there's definitely going to be quite a lot of noise in this video. But now we're going to go to the baby speaker. We're going to bump it up to the one right before the red. So right there, that's red. So that one right there, that I think is 9, I'm not too sure. Much louder than before, and we'll quickly do the bass part. I mean, the loudness is pretty solid. It definitely isn't a complete trash like how it was before. It definitely is quite a bit better, but it's not gonna match the Xtreme 4, obviously. This comparison is mainly just for fun, just to see the difference of what a bigger speaker can bring. Now the Xtreme 4 is gonna be loud. Bro, that is probably like 10 times louder. The bass is shaking. You could probably feel it through your chest. It is definitely a powerhouse. And quickly, the bass. I mean, I'm not going to keep it for too long, but quickly. Definitely a beast. And now, maximum volume. So we're going to start with the baby speaker. As you can see, max. Let's go. Ooh, bit of distortion. Certainly pretty crappy, man, because like, sure, the lowest volume was very low. The medium volume was good. It had decent amount of bass, decent amount of clarity. But now on the maximum, it is distorting like crazy, man. This thing sounds like it's gonna explode. So definitely a little speaker like this, bro, don't even think about doing parties with this thing, because it is gonna suck pretty hard. Now for the Xtreme 4. Here we go, guys. This is gonna be loud as crap, man. For the people who have like party boxes, and like even the small ones like the 320, I mean, imagine how loud that must be. Let's not even start with the ultimate. Gonna do this very quickly. Very, 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 very loud. And the bass part. Here we go. Just gonna get it ready to the right part. Here we go. Holy shoot, that is loud, man. That scared the living crap out of me. But as you can tell, guys, that is the sound test. The Xtreme 4 is like a million times more powerful than the little one. And it's certainly an absolute powerhouse, man. No distortion, very clear sound, and mind-boggling bass and loudness. Very good speaker. W from JBL with that one. And with this little speaker, I mean, certainly it is way cheaper. It is way more smaller. So you can't expect as much. But, I mean, if I was to choose one of these speakers, the JBL will definitely go with me. But for a small, portable speaker, for one person, you can't complain. So that's the sound test for you guys. Incredibly loud, incredibly cool video today. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and peace out. But right before I peace out, I would recommend listening to this video on a proper pair of headphones or a louder speaker, so you can clearly tell the differences in bass between these two, because phone speakers, you might not tell the difference. So anyways, guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and peace out.